always fear about health, money, children, future job. I am sick most of the time and I keep worrying about the same. How do I get out of it?
First you recognize you always worry. So turn back and see, last month you worried, but you still surviving now. Last year you worried, wasted your time worrying, you are still complete whole sitting now. So with your own experience of worrying, you will know worrying is futile. So get out of it. If you say, I don't know how to get out of it, I say, do Bhastrika, Pranayama, Kriya, all these practices. Yeah, the practices will help you. So you say, yeah, I cannot do practice, even that doesn't help me. Then listen to people who have more problem than you. Then yours will appear too small. Then serve them. You know, even that doesn't help, it will definitely help. Go and stay one day in the mental hospital. And listen to all those patients who are there. Look at their conditions. And thank God that you are not there. You are only a visitor. You are not a resident there. Till it doesn't work, I give you all the options. Not that it doesn't work, it does work. But if your head is so strong in none of this work, finally go to a burial ground or cremation ground. Look at all the bodies that come every day and get burned and go and know that you are also going to go there. What is the point in worrying? However well your life has been, however rich you have been, however famous or powerful, whatever you have been in your life, final is your body will be cremated. You will be finished. So sit there for half a day. You don't even half a day, 2 hours good enough. And see how people will come, they burn the body and they cry a little bit and go home and have their dinner. Next day they are going to have their breakfast. Their life will continue. They will wash their hands away. And that's what is going to happen to you too. The story is going to come to an end. Curtain is going to fall. The moment you realize the curtain is going to fall, where is the point of worrying? There is nothing to worry. Nature will find it. Yeah, there will be tough time and nice time and good times, bad times. They all come in life, they go. Nothing stays. Got it? That's it. But don't commit suicide, okay? Hold on. Let nature come and take its own course. Don't interfere in nature and then try to jump from the 5th floor. But not only you'll create problem for all others who are living. At least we should not make others miserable around us. You know, he won't do it. The person who wants to commit suicide, he will not go on announcing every day, day and night that I want to do it. You know, that is how people are taking attention. They are drawing attention. Once you say, oh, I am so miserable, and people say, oh, poor thing, then they feel somewhat good about themselves. This is a technique, this is a way to draw others' attention. I am going to commit suicide. If you really want to do it, tell nobody, go somewhere and jump. But I tell you, it is hopeless, it's useless to doing that. Because you have to do the same cycle again. You have to come back and experience the whole thing once again. Why you want to do it? Finish it here. Experience whatever you had to go through, bear it, go through it. Our life is going to come to an end on its own sometime.